How to remove all of the data in a table using Django. I have two questions. How do I delete a table in Django? How do I remove all the data in the table? This is my code which is not successful.
Inside a manager.
As per the latest documentation, the correct method to call would be
If you want to remove all the data from all your tables, you might want to try the command python manage.py flush. This will delete all of the data in your tables, but the tables themselves will still exist. See more here, this URL.
Using shell. 1. For deleting the table. 2. For removing all data from table.
Django 1.11 delete all objects from a database table. Refer the official Django documentation here as quoted below. This URL. Note that delete is the only query set method that is not exposed on a manager itself. This is a safety mechanism to prevent you from accidentally requesting entry.objects.delete and deleting all the entries. If you do want to delete all the objects, then you have to explicitly request a complete query set. I myself tried the code snippet seen below within my somefilename.py. And within my views.py I have a view that simply renders a HTML page. It ended deleting all entries from model equals model_4, but now I get to see an error screen within admin console when I try to ascertain that all objects of model_4 have been deleted. Do consider that, if we do not go to the admin console and try and see objects of the model, which have been already deleted, the Django app works just as intended. Django admin screen capture.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.